What up, good people? Today is 2 Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Today we're going to talk about Nissan warranty. The first warranty that we're going to talk about is the basic warranty. That is covered from the front bumper to the back bumper. That is 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever one comes first. So if you don't do a lot of driving, you're going to get 3 years. But if you do a lot of driving, you're going to probably get probably a year, maybe 2. If you're not doing a lot of driving, you're going to get the whole 3 years. So yeah, whichever one comes first, yes. So the next warranty is your Powertrain warranty. That is 5 years or 60,000 miles. That covers anything that goes wrong with the powertrain. So that's like your transmission, hoses, all those the things that goes wrong with the powertrain. So yes, that is 5 years or 60,000 miles, whichever one comes first. 5 years come first before the 60,000 miles, or the 60,000 miles come first before the 5 year. So yeah, whichever one comes first, that's your warranty. Also, you have a 3 years, 36,000 mile roadside assistant. That goes from like if you catch a flat or your car breaks down on the side of the road, you get an accident, you just got your Nissan Connect. Basically, that's what it's called. Nissan Connect is your roadside assistant. If something goes wrong, guess what? You can press that button and tell them, hey, I just got an accident, or my car is not working, or I got a flat. So they'll send a tow truck or anything towards you to fix your vehicle or give you a tow to your local Nissan dealership. So your next warranty is your corrosion warranty. That is 5 years or unlimited miles. So anything goes wrong, like if your vehicle's starting to rush, corrode, or anything underneath of it, or something with the paint, something like that, guess what you can do? You can take it to your local dealership and yeah, get it checked out. The next warranty is your certified pre-owned warranty. That is 7 years or 100,000 miles. That covers your engine, drivetrain, transmission, transfer case, your deductible, and it covers the parts. So yeah, that is a pretty good warranty if you decide to get your Nissan pre-owned. Yes. So make sure it says certified pre-owned Nissan. If it does not say certified, you don't have that warranty. But if it says certified when you're purchasing that vehicle, that's the warranty that you have. It covers your engine, your transmission, your transfer case, your drivetrain. But if you're enjoying this video, you're going to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of Artofspeedd family, go to the subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.